This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone or iPad has the latest update and that Bluetooth is on. Once done, open the AirPods Pro case and hold it next to the device. You should see the connect animation. If nothing appears, press and hold the small setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. After you tap connect, follow any on-screen prompts. These steps link the hardware and create the trusted connection you'll use. Next, customize how your AirPods Pro behave so they work the way you want. Go to Settings, tap Bluetooth, then the info icon next to your AirPods. Assign squeeze or press and hold actions for noise control and Siri. Make sure to test active noise cancellation versus transparency so you understand the difference in real environments. Also enable spatial audio, if available, and automatic ear detection so audio routes correctly when you insert or remove an earbud. This improves battery and the listening experience. Finish by ensuring a proper fit and monitoring power. Use the ear tip fit test to confirm a good seal because fit changes bass and noise cancellation. Keep an eye on battery percentage in Control Center. Recharge the case and AirPods when levels drop below 20% to avoid interruptions. If audio skips, one side won't connect or pairing fails. Reset the AirPods Pro, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. This resolves most stubborn connectivity faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.